subscribe us and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos.
Hello everyone, this is Syed Ahmed. In today's class, first of all we discussed about the question. It is a question related to the final account of Mr. Suresh. Then after it we will solve the question. Look at here. On 31st March 2018, the following trial balance was extracted from the book of Mr. Suresh. Mr. Suresh gave his business information to us and asked us to prepare final accounts and balance sheet of his business. This is the trial balance. This left side part is debit column and right side part is credit side. We should remember every debit item of trial balance is an expenses or an asset. Every credit item of trial balance is an income or liability. Here, opening stock we record on the trading account debit side. Cash it is a asset, we record in balance sheet asset side. Bank it is also an asset, we should record in balance sheet asset side. Bill receivable is also a asset. Debtors is a asset. Furniture asset. Machinery asset. Purchases we record on debit side of trading account. Wages is an expenses, we record on the debit side of trading account. Salaries is a expenses, we should record in profit and loss account debit side. Advertisement is also an expenses, we will record on debit side of profit and loss account. Carriage inwards means when we purchase the goods from the supplier, we record we pay some carriage expenses. On that time the expenses paid on purchasing the goods is called as carriage inwards. We should record on debit side of trading and trading account. Carriage outward, when we sold the goods and we provide a delivery, free delivery. When we sales the goods, we provide a free delivery to our customers. On that time the carriage expenses paid, so that should be recorded on the profit and loss account debit side. And building is an expense, building is an asset, so we record on the balance sheet asset side. Next, here credit side, capital is a liability for the business, so we record in balance sheet liability side. Long term loan is also a liability, so we record on credit liability side balance sheet. Bank overdraft is also a liability. Bills payable is also a liability. Creditors is also a liability. Loan from bank is also a liability. Sales we record on the trading account credit side. Purchase return we should deduct from the purchases. Commission receive is an income, we should record on the credit side of profit and loss account. Rent, credit side rent means it is a income for us, we should record on the credit side of the profit and loss account. Interest credit side of interest is income for the business, we should record on the credit side of the profit and loss account. Discount receive is also an income, we should record on the credit side of profit and loss account. Here is the adjustment. First adjustment is closing stock. One point you should remember, every adjustment must record twice, one in final account and another in balance sheet. But every trial balance item must record one time in final account, either in balance sheet. But adjustment must record twice, don't forget it. Closing stock, first time we record on the credit side of the trading account, and next time we should record on the balance sheet asset side. charge 10% depreciation on furniture and machinery. Depreciation is nothing but it's a expenditure for the business, so we record on the profit and loss account one time, and next time we will record on the balance sheet asset side. So there is a depreciation on furniture and machinery. So make a, here we record, make a, you dot on furniture, and where is the machinery? Okay, make a dot on it. Next, write off 5,000 as bad debts. Write off 5,000 on as bad debts and create reserve for bad debts at the rate 10% on debtors या फिर off debtors. We should write first bad debts. Bad debts is nothing but we gave the credit to our customer, they don't want to pay for us. That is called as bad debts. Bad debts is 5,000 on debtors. And another adjustment related to debtors is reserve for bad debts. Next one, outstanding wages, rupees 4,000. Outstanding wages is a liability, so we add, okay, outstanding means we should add to the expenses, same related expenses, and next time it's showed in liability side of balance sheet. And salary is also outstanding. Make a dot on it. Next, advance for advertisement paid rupees 32,500. We paid advance to the advertisement for next year advertisement. It is not this year expenses, so we deduct from our advertisement one time, and the same is showed on the asset side of the balance sheet. Please note down this question, and after it we will solve the problem. I hope you have written the question. Okay, look, we will solve right now. We will solve the question. The accounts books related to given by the Mr. Suresh, and ask us to prepare final accounts and balance sheet. And this is the pro forma of final account, and this is the pro forma of balance sheet. First we solve the final accounts, then we solve the balance sheet. If our balance sheet tally, we didn't did any mistake. I am having question, and you also look in your question. Opening stock we should record on the trading account debit side. Here, this is the particulars amount, First, information on debit side, trial balance, opening stock to opening stock. How much is 40,000? Next one, cash. Cash is an asset. We should record on the balance sheet side. Bank is as an asset. We should record on the asset side. Second item of trading account is purchases. There is a information related to purchases. Purchase return also there. So we deduct purchase return from the purchases. Purchases is 2 lakhs less purchase returns. Look at the credit side of the trial balance. Purchase return is 50,000. Subtract 1,50,000. Next one, we should record third item to wages. There is a adjustment related to wages, so write down its amount before amount column wages is 80,000, and look at the adjustment. There is a outstanding related to wages. We should add outstanding, means we should add outstanding wages. Outstanding wages is 4,000. Total 84,000. Next one, opening stock, we already recorded. Cash at bank and cash, it is an asset. Bill receivable, it is an asset. Debtors is an asset. The related information related to debtor we should record on the profit and loss account debit side. Furniture is an asset. The information, the adjustment related to furniture we should record on the profit and loss account. Machinery is an asset. The information related to machinery we should record on the debit side of profit and loss account. Purchases, we have already recorded. Wages also recorded. Salaries we should record on the profit and loss account debit side. Advertisement is an expenses, we should record on the profit and loss account debit side. Carriage inwards, we should record here carriage inwards to carriage inwards. Carriage inwards amount is 25,000 and carriage outward record on the profit and loss account. Buildings. Okay, see the credit side of the trial balance. Capital is a liability. Long term loan is a liability. Bank overdraft is a liability. Bills payable is also a liability. Creditors is also a liability. Loan from bank, it's a liability. Sales, buy, sales amount is 5 lakhs. There is no sales return, so directly record on the amount column. Okay, nothing is there related to the trading account credit side. The last we should record on the credit side by closing stock. How much is 1,50,000. It's time for balancing the account. So look at here, debit amount is more or credit amount is more. Here we see that 5 lakhs plus 1,50,000, 6,50,000. This the total is near or approximately 3 lakhs. So this is more. We should write here to gross profit carried on. Here is the less amount we should carry. Okay, draw total column lines. From here to here it's a trading account. From here to downward it's a profit and loss account. Total amount to 6,50,000 and write the same balance 6,50,000 and it is not a 60,50,000 total. How much is needed to become a 6,50,000? So we calculate this amount and subtract from it, we got the balancing figure. There is a from right side 3 zeros are there, 0 0, and 4 digit is 4 plus 5 9, 5th digit is 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 8 17 plus 2 19, 9 carry 1. Next one 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1 2. Okay, 2,99,000 is subtract from 6,50,000. 6,50,000. 0 0 0. Okay, 10 minus 9. How much? 10 minus 9 1. Okay, 14 minus 9 5. 5 minus 5 minus 2, 3. 3,51,000. It's a total amount. Then we calculate, then we go for the preparation of final profit and loss account. 3,51,000. This is the trading account from here to here. Then we go for preparation of profit and loss account. And look at the question. Opening stock, we have already recorded cash, it is an asset, bank is an asset, bill receivable asset, debtors, there is a information related to debtors in adjustment. So you should record first. See the adjustment related to debtors. Write off 5,000 as bad debts. Okay, here in profit and loss account, the adjustment you should record related to debtors and finance expenses. Write off 5,000 as bad debts to bad debts. 5,000. Next one is create reserve for bad debts at 10% on debtors. Debtor amount in trial balance is 1,20,000. Debtor amount in trial balance is 1,20,000. And we record the bad debts. You should subtract from bad debts from debtors value. We got 1,50,000, 15,000 in net debtors, and calculate reserve for bad debts after deducting bad debts from debtors into 10 divided by 100. 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel. The left amount is 11,500. 11,500, 15,000. Okay, 1,15,000 into 10 divided by 100. 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel. The left amount is 11,500. To reserve for bad debts, RBD is 11,500. And next step is furniture. There is a adjustment related to furniture, so we should record on the profit and loss account debit side to depreciation on furniture. Furniture amount is 2 lakhs. How much depreciation we should provide? 10%. Furniture amount is 2 lakhs into 10 divided by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. Left amount is 20,000. So depreciation on furniture is 20,000. Next one is machinery. There is a adjustment related to machinery. Machinery total amount is 2,40,000. We should record depreciation on furniture on the profit and loss account debit side. So also we should record depreciation on furniture machinery on debit side into 10 divided by 100. 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel. 2 lakhs 2,000, 24,000 depreciation to depreciation on machinery 24,000. Next one is purchases. Purchases we have already recorded wages, recorded salaries. To salaries. Salaries amount is 1,50,000. There is a adjustment related to it. We should write before the amount column. So see the adjustment related to it. There is a outstanding salary of 10,000. Outstanding means we should add outstanding. Outstanding amount is 10,000. Amounts to 1,60,000. 1,60,000. And advertisement. to advertisement amount is 65,000. Why I am writing before the amount column? There is a adjustment related to advertisement. So advertisement information is given here 65,000. Adjustment another information is given that there is a advance paid for the advertisement for next year. So it is not related to this year expenses. So we should subtract from the advertisement advance paid. How much is 32,500? If we subtract that, we got 32,500. Next one is carriage inwards. Carriage inwards we already recorded in the trading account and don't record twice. Carriage outward. Carriage outward is a expenses which we have paid on while selling the products to our customers. Carriage outward amount is 30,000. Debit side over. And see the credit side of trial balance. Capital we should record in the balance sheet side, liability liability side. Long term loan we should record on the liability side. Bank overdraft also liability. Bill receivable is also a liability. Creditors is also a liability. Loan from banks also a liability. Sales we have already recorded in the trading account and don't record twice. Next one is purchase return. Purchase return we have already subtracted from the purchases. Commission. Okay, we forgot one thing over here. Gross profit is carried on, so we transferred it to profit and loss account by gross profit brought down. From here we brought it to profit and loss account. Amount is 3,51,000. Then we should record the other information which have given in the credit side of trial balance. So we see that commission is there. Commission means credit side of trial balance commission is commission received. Amount is 20,000. And rent is also an income. Amount is 25,000. How I am recording the amounts? You should record in a order so we can easily calculate the addition and subtract. Interest. By interest amount is 10,000. And last is by discount. Okay, credit side discount of trial balance is an income, is called as discount received. Discount received is 25,000. And see at the adjustment. Closing stock we have already recorded in the trading account of credit side. Charge 10% depreciation on furniture, already we have charged, and machinery also depreciation on machinery we have charged, and write off 5,000 as bad debts. First we record the bad debts, next we record the reserve for bad debts. You should remember that from debtors we subtract the bad debts, then we should calculate the reserve for bad debts. Next one, outstanding wages. Outstanding wages we have already recorded in the debit side of trading account. Outstanding salary is also added to this salary in profit and loss account. And advance advertisement we should subtract from the this year advertisement, because that expenses not related to this year. We showed only the expenses which have incurred this year or happened this year. Okay, last step, we have already recorded this all information in profit and loss account. The last step is to balancing or find out how much the Mr. Suresh got the net profit in 2018. Look at here, check that this much amount is more and this amounts are more. Okay, I have already checked that this amount is more, so we should write in the debit side of the profit and loss account to net profit transferred to balance sheet, draw total amount, total column, total lines and calculate it. From here there is 3 digits from right side are zeros, so 0 0 0. Okay, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 5 11, carry 1, 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 1 13, carry 1 here, 3 plus 1 4, 4,31,000. Total of profit and loss account is 4,31,000. It is not the total exactly the 31,000. How much amount needed to become it 4,31,000. So first of all, we can total this amounts 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So total this amounts, then subtract from it, and the left amount is the income related to Suresh business, net income. From right side 2 digits are zeros, right here 0 0, and next third digit is 5, 5 plus 5 10, carry 1 here, 4 digit 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 1 13, carry 1 here, 4 digit 1 plus 2 if you have done some mistake. Okay, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 3 17, 17 plus 1 18, carry 1 here, last digit. Okay, 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2,83,000, subtract from 4,31,000, 4,31,000, 0 0 0. Okay, 1 minus 3, it's not possible, so 1 should borrow 1. Okay, it become 11, 11 minus 3 8, it to give the 1 to the 1 and becomes 2, 2 minus 8 is not possible, it borrow 1 from the 4 and it become 12, 12 minus 8 is 4, next is become 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, 1,48,000. 1,48,000 is the net profit Mr. Suresh got in 2018. So next step is for preparation of balance sheet. If our balance sheet tally we did the correct, we solve correctly. Look at the debit side of trading account. Opening stock we have already recorded, don't record it. Cash is 20,000. Next one is bank is also an asset, you should record on the asset side. How much it is? 50,000. Next one, bill receivable. Bill receivable amount is 80,000. Debtors Okay, write debtors amount before amount column because there is a two adjustment related to it. Every adjustment must record twice. We have already recorded in the profit and loss account and also record in balance sheet. Debtor amount is 1,20,000. 1,20,000. See the adjustment. First adjustment related to debtors, write off bad debts, okay, 5,000 less bad debts 5,000. We got the 1,15,000. Next, another adjustment related to it, less reserve for bad debts, RBD, okay, reserve for bad debts. How much we calculated over here? 11,500. 11,500. Okay, subtract from it 0 0. Okay, 10 minus 5 5, 4 minus 1 3. Next one is 10 minus 1 9. No 10 from start. 10 minus 5 5, 4 minus 1 3. It become 10. 10 minus 1 9. Correct, we did 93,500. No, it's a 10. Okay, 1,03,500. We did some mistake here. Again I am showing you how to subtract from it. 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, 10 minus 5 5, it become 4, 4 minus 1 3, it 11. Okay, 11 minus 1 10. 1,03,500. Next one is furniture. There is an adjustment related to it. 2 lakhs less depreciation. Depreciation of 2 lakhs is 10% is 20,000. 1,80,000. Next one is machinery. There is an adjustment related to it, so we should write the its amount is before the amount column. 2,40,000 less depreciation 24,000. 0 0, third digit also 0. 10 minus 4 6. Okay, 3 minus 2 1, 2 as it is. 2,16,000. Next one, purchases. Purchases we have already write on the debit side of the trading account. Don't write twice. Wages also write, salaries also write, written, wrote, advertisement also wrote, carriage inwards also write, carriage outward also wrote, buildings. Building is left. Buildings. There is no adjustment related to building. Write on the debit column 5,20,000. So debit side is over of trial balance. So debit, I have already told that every debit item of trial balance is an expenses. If not, it must be an asset. So the adjustment, those expenses not, those are not expenses. It means that they are assets. So we should already wrote the assets on the balance sheet. And see at look at the credit side of the trial balance. First one is capital. How much it is? 2,40,000. Because we got the net profit, so we should add net profit to capital. Add net profit. How much we got the net profit? 1,48,000. No information related to the capital, so directly total it and write in the amount column. There is 3 digit 0 from right side, and 0 plus 8 8, 4 plus 4 8, 2 plus 1 3. Okay, 3,88,000. Next one, long term loan. Long term loan is also a liability. Right in the liability side, 4 lakhs. Next one is bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is also a liability. Amount is 1 lakh. Next one is bills payable. Bills payable amount is 1 lakh. And creditors. Creditors amount is 1,50,000. Next one is loan from bank. Loan from bank is also a liability, so we should record in the liability side how much it is, 2 lakhs. Sales. Sales we have already recorded in the credit side of trial balance trading account, don't record twice. Purchase return. Purchase return we detect from the purchases. Commission. Commission we have already recorded in the profit and loss account credit side, don't record it again. Rent. Rent also recorded in the credit side of trial profit and loss account. Interest also recorded, and discount is also recorded. And over. See the adjustment. First adjustment is closing stock. Closing stock is recorded second time in the asset side. Closing stock. How much it is? 1,50,000. And next one, charge 10% depreciation on furniture. Okay, we have already did twice or second time. Next is furniture and machinery. Also provided depreciation on machinery second time also. Write off 5,000 at bad debts and create a reserve for bad debts. We did debtors adjustment related to adjustment bad debts and also reserve for bad debts. Outstanding wages is 4,000. Outstanding means we are liable to pay the amount to our laborers and who's our employees. Outstanding means we are not paid to our employees. Some of the amount related to their salary we are going to pay in future. It's for us, it's a liability. So outstanding wages amount is outstanding wages. How much amount is? 4,000. Next one, outstanding salaries. Outstanding salaries amount is 10,000. And last is advertisement. Advance advertisement paid means we paid advance to the advertisers for future advertisement. It means that our money with them, so our money not utilized for this year, so it is for us, it's an assets for this year. Advance advertisement. Amount is 32,500. This is the balance sheet. We have recorded all the information given in the problem. Last step to balance it or tally it. Okay, total, we make the total of the two columns. Okay, first we check the balance of liability side. There is 3 digits from right sides, zeros. So write 0, 0, 0, make it zeros. And 8 plus 4, 12. Here write 2, carry 1 here. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. carry 1 here, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 lakhs 52,000. Okay, it's a correct. And the last 13 lakhs 50,000 is correct. And check asset side also. 2 digits from right sides are zeros. Write in the total column 0. Third digit is 500. 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1. 4 digits 0, 0, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Carry 1 here. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 8, 23 plus 1, 24 plus 2, 26 plus 5, 31. 31 plus 3, 34. 34 plus 1, 35. Carry 3 here. Okay, there is no 6 digit here. 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Our balance sheet tally. So we did correctly. This is the long problem. In every accounts, in accounting, in advanced accounting, you should got this question for 12 full marks, 20 marks, or as 10 marks or 12 marks. Okay, I hope you easily got it how to prepare final accounts. Next video we will solve the another question of final accounts. Okay, don't forget to subscribe our channel.